Part of our brand new graded load just in today. This is a Hotpoint LST216A 45cm wide fully integrated dishwasher. It's an R grade appliance, which means the front's perfect, even though it's fully integrated where you wouldn't see the front. There might be a small dent, which I think you can see just at the top there on the side, and the same might be a little mark on the other side. Just have a look inside. You can see all your instructions are with this machine, and it comes with a full manufacturer's warranty. Any questions, please give us a call or visit and see more at ricelipappliances.com. Thanks.